So, guys, today we all gathered for the birth of Baby Yoda. I have received Baby Yoda today. It was literally a miracle. It was supposed to arrive by the 7th next week. I literally forgot to pay for express shipping. And today I swear to God, the universe told me, Larissa, check. I was like, I'm not gonna over check. I'm gonna let it go. But I was like, something is telling me check. And I checked the tracking and it literally says it's in Slovenia. And then it says it's gonna arrive today, and I'm like, what? I was baffled. So we are here today, gathered to unbox the stream mascot Baby Yoda. I'm so fucking excited. I want a real. That's why I'm doing also a video, and this is being streamed on Twitch, by the way, just to get a pure reaction. I am very impatient on when I get a package. I'm just like, I want to see it. Right now, God forbid, AliExpress packages, it's ripped off within seconds. But I thankfully was sleepy today. I took a nap and then I was busy doing some stuff. So it was nice and it was kind of easy to wait. But now it's freaking time to do this. I am excited. Let's switch the scene. I am excited. Here's the box. I don't know, it's maybe seems a bit, I don't know how to explain. I'm gonna put my hand. Can you see how big it is? Do you see? This is my hand. Do you see how big it is? It seems small on the camera, but it's huge. Oh yeah, it's do you know what I mean now? Okay, you understand. Okay, so I'm gonna start tearing it up. Okay, I put it up on the sides. I'm literally not gonna look. Oh my God. Okay, I'm literally not looking. I'm literally nervous. I feel more nervous than going on a date. I swear to God. This is I don't want to look. you know when you're on a date and you're you don't want to look them in the eyes? This is how I feel, okay? I'm so my legs are shaking. What the fuck is this? Oh, by the way, yeah, Mandalorian is one of my favorite shows. When I saw Baby, even I'm kind of late to the game of watching Baby Yoda, but whatever. I mean, I missed out on a lot of stuff that was released because, you know, of the show and blah blah blah, but whatever. I'm here, I'm whatever. Yeah, and also I have never watched Star Wars. Wow, I'm stuttering. This is how nervous I am. But I am planning to probably in this year, or when I have time or when I remember to watch it. Oh my, okay, I don't want to open it. I'm trying not to peek. I'm literally trying not to peek. Okay, I don't know how. By the way, the box is so beat up. I don't know how to show you, but it's just so bad. What the fuck is this? Is this how usually packages look from Amazon? Beat up. When he put the package in my hands, I was like, my baby, hello? I can't. I'm so afraid. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited, dude. Okay, there's the paper over it. Oh my God. I'm shaking. I see the oh my God, I see the crib thing. May the force be with you. Yes, exactly. Okay, guys. I'm so nervous. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I think everyone's ready. Woo! Right. Okay, lol. Okay. Do you see the crib? Oh my, I see the code. I see a part of the code. Should we do it on 3? I look away and then we get the instant reaction, okay? Take him out. You are getting the first experience of him. Can you see him? Can you see him? I don't want to look. Can you see him? Yeah. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I was literally prepared and I'm gonna start crying. I was like, I'm gonna cry when I see him. Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm literally tearing up. Oh my God! I can't! Oh can you, oh my god. Like, it's really your baby. It is! It is my oh my god, it's so big! Oh, I can't! Oh shit. Oh, also, by the way, it has that feature. It has that feature where it has those eyes and it looks like it's like following you with their, like, with his eyes. Oh my god. His forehead is dirty. What do you mean? Oh, oh, yeah, his forehead is dirty. What did you do with him? His forehead is dirty. Do you see that? What did you do? Oh my god. So big. Oh, sorry, my bad. It's so big. Spray. Oh yeah, you're right. May the clean Jesus be with you. Okay, I think it's enough. I think Baby Yoda is suffocating by this point. Baby Yoda first shower. Almost she got it. Okay, look at the back. Okay, it says Star Wars Mandalorian, the child, l'enfant. As one of the most feared bounty hunters in the galaxy, the Mandalorian never expected to be shielding this 50-year-old child from his rivals and enemies. Now you can protect this lovable little creature just like the Mandalorian does. I can't. Baptism of disinfect. Exactly. Okay. Is that okay? No, that's the thing. I thought it's like literally wet from the disinfectant. Okay. Okay, that's in French. And oh my god, look at the picture. Wait, sorry. Oh, look at it. Oh! Okay. Okay, how do I get him out? Okay. Wow, those strings were suffocating my baby. How dare they? Okay. Anything else holding you? But you don't want to break him. Oh, by the way, he doesn't have a bottom. He doesn't have feet, which... And also... Why didn't you sew this? Hello? Make a rim around it. Do you see? I might just sew this together. I don't know. Did you see this? They didn't do a rim around. Like, it's so... Yeah, he doesn't have feet. Like, and I saw dolls of Baby Yoda that had feet. Like, how hard is it to sew in just plastic feet? Do you know what I mean? Like, how, with the way they did it with his head. But yeah, oh my god, it has everything official. The Star Wars thingy confirmed that this is not from AliExpress. He's so big. Okay, he's being keyed out. Can you see how big he is? He even smells nice. Look at him. Hi. This part is stuffed. Look at his tiny hands! Look at that! Oh my god! Oh. I have to take a wet wipe. Look, okay, so this is the crypt thingy, the, you know, the flying crypt. We're good, we did it, Reddit! He clean now! Did I take away paint? God forbid. Okay, he clean now! Hi! What is it? Always happens with toys. With anything, I'm always like, why is it dirty? You're like, hello, how dare you? Look at him. Oh my god, wait, should I turn off my green screen so we can wait. Okay, so oh, look at him, how big he is. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Let me check if he has the eyes that follow you. Oh yeah, it does. Oh, wait. More. Oh wait, HD camera. Okay, let's go. Wait. The details. Look at that. Tiny coat. Forehead. Oh my god. Wait, is there like a hoodie? Oh no, that's on the back. I was like, hoodie? This is from the back, so yeah, he doesn't have feet. There's no rim around this, which I don't know what to do. Like, that's gonna be fucked. The official thing, from, you know, Star Wars. Ah, making him naked. Oh, report. Here we go. I'm not gonna take this off because I paid some money for this. Which is well worth. Again, this is how big Baby Yoda is compared to my body. I am like 172 centimeters tall. So, how much a Baby Yoda cost me? I've ordered it like the second time now on Amazon, and it was all together with shipping to Slovenia, without express shipping, like I've said on the beginning, it was 38 euros. So if you want to order this baby, I'm gonna link it down below. But yeah, please order it on amazon.co.uk. It like sounds like I'm literally like sponsor or something. I wish I got this for free. That would be fucking dope. But no, I'm not sponsored. I bought it with my own money because I am a Baby Yoda fan, and this is now the mascot of the stream. I'm so excited. There's so many people that share this moment with me. It looks incredible. Oh, adorable. Like the details. Like when I'm saying that don't go onto AliExpress to find a cheaper version of this, they will use this picture. And don't get me started when people are like, they always use pictures from everywhere else and then it's shit. No, like they're like, that is just like a lie. Not really a lie, but that has been probably like that, like back in the day, maybe 3 years ago, 4 years ago, but not anymore. But I like searched the entire like universe and there was nothing on AliExpress compared, even like the pictures from their reviews. So like even if you're like someone like me who loves to find some nice fucking finds for a nice price, it's not gonna be there on AliExpress. Like I've been buying stuff from AliExpress for how long now? 4 years? 4? 3? I think it's been 4. 3.5. It's been a long time. Some people actually kept this and kept it inside, but oh sorry, kept it inside of this, you know. So cute. 3 years plus. I think I'm kind of far ahead of that. Do you think? For anyone that doesn't know, a Baby Yoda is 50 years old. This baby is 50 years old. But yeah, today was the reveal of Baby Yoda being born to the world. I feel like I'm that from that scene from Lion King when I'm like holding the baby. Look at it! Oh my god. But yeah, guys, thank you for stopping by. And I hope everyone enjoyed this unboxing with me as much as I did. And even me getting emotional looking at Baby Yoda for the very first time. Like, I saw the pictures of the reviews on Amazon and everything. I was prepared. But damn, like, dude. But one thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you. Wow, Baby Yoda smacking shit. Holy shit. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is making me so happy. I literally want to die of happiness now. Okay, I don't want to die, please. Baby Yoda, wait, did I baptize the entire thing? No, I baptized it with the plastic. Okay, let's again do it. Baby Yoda, I'm sorry. Oh shit. He's baptized with sanitizer. One last time of Baby Yoda. Oh, don't show the tushy. Okay. Look at that. Like, what is that? I would use better fabric. Hello? No, I'm not complaining. Oh shit, tushy is so much sanitizer. But yeah, the child was born. It's literally wet by Jesus. Baby Yoda and me are gonna say goodbye to you all. And yeah, I hope everyone has enjoyed this video. And if you did, check out all my other stuff. Yeah, I'm a bit awkward. I haven't filmed a video in a long time. I mean, this is a part of the stream, but you know, it's still I'm a bit shy. Okay, so but yeah, thank you everyone, and see you in the next one.